Are you ready? Okay, let's go. So today I'm going to tell you all about my new hairstyle. It's from RastAfri braid. But before I get into it, I need you to first subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss future videos. And second, if you enjoyed the video, please go ahead and tap that like button. And you can go ahead and let me know what you liked about the video by commenting. Feel free to let me know what you would like to see in the future. And one more thing, please tap that notification bell so you receive alerts as soon as I drop a new video. All right, so let's get into it. So today's tutorial is on RastAfri's new Hippie Curl 3X. I'm rocking two colors today. So one of the colors is F1B27 and then the other is F1B30. So let me show you how the packaging look. This is the F1B30. Also has directions on the back, and this is the packaging for F1B27. So pretty much the same, and they're all labeled with the color. So RastAfri's Hippie Curl 3X is going to give you that 70-80 soul vibe. Here's the curl pattern for the F1B27, and then here's the F1B30. So super luxurious and voluminous. I want to blend the two to shine through with some highlights. So I just took a few strands and I'm blending them out, prepping it to crochet. And ladies, these curls are super soft and bouncy and lightweight. It's a perfect curl for your protective hairstyle. So let's grab your tools, a crochet needle, and I'm doing bangs. So make sure your braid base is going on your perimeter. Why? Because you want to braid the hair forward so the bangs fall perfectly. All right, so let's grab the hair and crochet needle. Take a couple of strands so it'll fit in a needle. Loop the needle until your braid base open. Put the hair onto the needle, close it, loop the hair and pull the hair through the loop. Go ahead and repeat these steps. We're gonna do this until we finish the back because we're gonna crochet the bangs in later. And of course, if you want extra security, you can do a double knot, but with this curly texture, looping it once should be enough. All right, so now we are done crocheting the back. Now it's time to crochet the bangs in. So what I wanted to do, I didn't want to waste any hair, so I took one of the bundles, I cut it in half, so I can really make the most of my bundles, so the bangs will be short but have a really nice length. So let's go ahead and crochet the bangs into the braid base. So again, you loop your needle open into your braid base, put the hair onto the needle, close the needle, pull it through your braid base, and then loop the hair through the crochet loop, and you're done. Let's repeat these steps until our bangs are completed. All right, beauty, so we are done with the crochet part, but now we have to style it. So grab some scissors. We're going to cut the bangs a little bit, give it some shape, and also give it a nice cut to frame the face. Give us some layers so we have some body, and make this hairstyle you. So cut and style to your liking. I didn't want to cut too much, but just enough to frame my face and give the style more definition and shape. So again, you guys, this is the Hippie Curl 3X from RastAfri Braid. Be sure to request it now at your local beauty supply store. Follow RastAfri on social media at RastAfri Braid and your sister brand, Fashion Sorts Wigs at FS_wigs. So beauties, grab your RastAfri Hippie Curl 3X. You're gonna love it. I'm rocking F1B27 and F1B30, available at your local beauty supply store. Follow me at DJ Dimepiece on all social media. I'll see you on the next video. Thank you for watching.